In this video, I'll show you how to make someone a mod on Discord Mobile. So in order to make someone a mod, you need to either be the owner of the server or have the relevant permissions in order to do so. So tap on the server name and then over on the right, tap on settings. From here, you want to scroll down to the user management section and press on roles. If you haven't already, you need to create a moderator role. So on the top right, press on the plus icon and then name the role. We'll call it mod, and then press create and then give it the relevant permissions by scrolling and selecting moderator. And from here, it'll show you a list of all your server members, in which you can press on the person that you'd like to make a mod and then press finish. You can also assign someone a mod within the server roles section. So if you just press on the role and come down and press on members, you can also assign a mod through there. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.